On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making air fried zucchini fries. Now, these are similar to what you will find in Red Robin or other kind of high-end restaurants like Maggiano's, but they're definitely a homemade take. They're much easier to make than what you find in those restaurants. Of course, we're going to start with a zucchini. For our example here, we're using one zucchini, but you just use as many zucchinis as you need to make the number of fries that you like. Now, this zucchini turned into about 16 fries, although I will admit some of them may have gotten eaten before they reached their final stage. But what you're going to do is you're going to skin your zucchini, or leave the skins on if you like. I prefer mine off. And then you're going to cut your zucchini into approximately 1/2 inch sticks. You see what we're doing here. Just cutting those up, making them into kind of fry size. Yeah, that one right there didn't need any further cutting. And that's what you should get from a zucchini, about that many. Like I said, some of these might have gotten eaten in the process. So, first thing you need to do is make your dip, or your batter if you will. It starts with 1 egg, actually 1 egg white. That's why we're separating the yolk from the white. You're just going to separate those out. Got a nifty egg separator here. And then after you get that yolk and the white separated, you're going to season that egg white with some salt and pepper. Now, we prefer to grind our own, but either way, whether you just pour it in with a measuring spoon or grind it in, it's up to you. But you're going to put in here about as much as to your taste. We put about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to have the breadcrumbs. You're going to, of course, use about 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. To that, you're going to add some regular breadcrumbs. We're using the Italian variety here. Then you're going to use some Parmesan cheese. This can be the kind that comes out of the can, or you can grate it yourself. And then we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Mix that up. Then you're going to simply dredge your zucchini sticks through your egg whites and into your crumbs. And while we're doing that, I invite you to like, subscribe, and click the notify button. Also, please leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. As you can see, we're just putting that on there. You can dredge them once or you can dredge them twice. It's really up to you. The more you dredge them and roll them in breadcrumbs, the thicker the coating on the outside will be. And we're going to rush through, do several of them here. They're going onto my air fryer sheet. I have a air fryer that's incorporated into my microwave, and that's how they come out. 14 minutes, you get those. Thanks for watching this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe.